Let's see, which one we driving right now? I think I'm gonna drive the roads. Or should I take this? Should I take this one today? I don't know. Or should I take this? What y'all think? Take this today?
The mission. Go ahead. Hard head is a motherfucker. Nah, I don't listen. Nah. All we know is killing. Yo. All I see is millions. Yeah. On the block collecting paper off a pound. Yeah. My little nigga and them can't wait to lay you down. Yeah. Everybody wanna trap, but they ain't built for it. Wait a minute. Who wanted the baddest? Will you kill for it? Hey. I came from bags in the wall, Glock in my draw. High speed running from the laws. Ops fuck them all. 100 racks and spent it in the mall. I can't fuck with y'all. Tell them gossiping ass niggas keep